Hydrogen is the most abundant element in the universe, making up about 75% of all matter. While hydrogen is not a source of energy, it is a very effective energy carrier. Hydrogen works like a battery and can be used to move, store, and deliver energy produced from other sources. There's a wide range of environmentally friendly ways to produce hydrogen, including hydro, wind, solar, and many more. This diversity of sources makes hydrogen a promising energy sector and enables hydrogen production from coast to coast to coast. Hydrogen can be burned in combustion engines like gasoline and diesel, or it can be used in fuel cells where it reacts with oxygen to produce electricity. In both cases, steam is the only emission. Some hydrogen production processes use fossil fuels, which emit carbon. These must be captured to remain net zero. Combining hydrogen production with carbon capture means hydrogen can be a full life cycle, zero-emissions fuel source. Beyond its environmental potential, hydrogen poses both an economic benefit for Canada and offers skilled transferability opportunities for current energy workers. Within the hydrogen sector, every skill set and interest can find its match. Hydrogen needs innovative thinkers, problem solvers, and business development managers to get new startups off the ground. In addition, environmental managers and advisors are needed to guide the sustainable growth of this promising industry, while engineers and technicians can bring it to life. All have their place in shaping the hydrogen sector. So, whether you're a visionary, a strategist, a hands-on builder, or a scientific mind, there's a role for you in the exciting world of hydrogen. Visit CareersinEnergy.ca to plan your future now.